So I've done quite a few videos on different spices, but I have not done one on paprika. So we're going to talk about the health benefits of paprika. So paprika is made from dried red peppers, the mild versions, and it became very popular in Hungary in the late 19th century. So when we're talking about the health benefits of spices, we're talking about the various phytonutrients in spices, and they're usually connected to color, pigments. And so in paprika, we have various colors ranging from yellow to orange to red. So let's start with the yellow and orange pigment phytonutrients, okay? You have alpha-carotene and beta-carotene. These are precursors to vitamin A. But the benefits from paprika are not actually vitamin A. It's in the actual precursors to vitamin A, both alpha-carotene and beta-carotene. Then we have another one called zeaxanthin. And paprika is loaded with zeaxanthin. And then we have lutein. So both zeaxanthin and lutein are great for the eye in preventing age-related macular degeneration, as well as cataracts. Then we have another one called beta-cryptoxanthin, and those are all the yellow-orange pigments. And then we get into the red pigments, which include capsanthin and capsorubin. So collectively, all these phytonutrient chemicals create some really cool effects in the eye, in protecting the eye against degenerative problems. You have anti-inflammatory properties. You have anti-cancer risk. They have potential anti-cancer properties. Now, when I say potential, I mean it's really impossible to isolate and do a study on these phytonutrients to help you with cancer because there's so many variables. You have the diet, you have the person's history, but there is some exciting research on the potential of contributing to decreasing the risk of cancer. So it's something that could help you. They also show potential anti-diabetic effects. The same thing applies. If you are not changing your diet and you're just using the phytonutrients in paprika thinking that's going to help you with cancer, it's not going to help you with cancer. You have to do the whole package. And also, there's some interesting benefits in suppressing UV-induced skin damage with these phytonutrients. So with all the data on the benefits of using various spices to improve your health, definitely include paprika as one of your spices you use, especially for vision. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story. Please share it in the link down below.